Okay, David, this video here is for you, okay? I wanted to show you some of what I'm doing and what I have here. Here's my milliamp gauge coming in, amp meter, and about 30 milliamps right now. Okay, I'm going to try and hold this up so you can see it. But we're less than 50 milliamps. I'd say probably around 40 or so. Here's my two reed relays. There's one here, and you can see this resistor here that I got. It's a 100k ohm resistor, and I have another reed over here for my power out to my motor, and I have an LED connected across the reed coils, okay, and that runs from the reed coils to the emitter of the transistor to catch the flyback from these coils, okay. And there's my reed input. I should draw back here so you can see kind of all of this mess, get all the wires in. Okay, my motor's running. Okay, and I've adjusted the pulse width down, but I don't have as much charging on the batteries anymore. I got rid of the LED that I had over here, the LEDs, and I put in a fast triggering nanosecond diode. As you can see, the battery charging is not as good when you shorten up the pulse width and all. Batteries are only like 1145. Okay, but here, I'm going to try and catch this for you. This is my input circuit. That's the trace between the emitter of the transistor and the ground on the input. Okay, you can see where I'm connected up here. I'm connected on the ground line coming in right here. Okay, which is this resistor is connected to. I'm just grabbing the end of that resistor, and here's my transistor here, and I'm connected to this side of my LED. Okay, and let's see, what else can I grab for you so you can see? Okay, let's go over here and let's see if I can grab this again. Okay, this I've connected into my output side. This is off the batteries now, okay? So you can see what I have over here. Okay, as you can see, I've kind of I've shortened the pulse down here going in till it's almost halfway past the magnet passing the pole, and then I'm triggering it off, and it ends triggering after the magnet has left, when it's just about the halfway point of having left. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much, and I hope that this helps you some. Okay? Bye-bye.